Morning, my name's Greg and I'm with the Music City Miata Club. We've been coming to the Dragon for quite a number of years now. We've got about 15 cars this year. We've had more in the past, but with COVID and all, I think everything's down. I kind of stumbled onto the Dragon after a camp trip. Unfortunately, I was in a Volkswagen van and we came down 129, and it was kind of a thrill even in a Volkswagen van. Obviously, it's a lot more fun in a Miata. This is the Dragon. My first Miata was Missy, so I've had an opportunity of taking both an A and a C through the Dragon's tail, and it's a blast on either one of them. So I welcome everybody to come and join us. The weather's great this weekend, and we hope we'll see you in future years.